According to NCRB, National Crime Records Bureau, every 20 minutes a girl in India is being raped. When I'm happy, girls are on the period, they're not allowed to attend any church services, neither are they allowed to go to the temple, and they're not allowed to enter the kitchen because during that time they are considered as dirty. Sexual health is not openly discussed due to cultural and traditional norms in society. Neither women or men feel comfortable saying simple words as pads or periods. The best ride in a million rounds. I know I'm coming back to you. And I'm happy, nothing's going to stop me. I'm making my way home, I'm making my way. I go solo. Oh, I go solo, I'm making my way home, I'm making my way.
Bihar is one of India's most socio-economically underdeveloped states.
At 42%, the prevalence of forced child marriage is enormously high. From the moment they are married, girls are denied any further education, or when they get their first period, whichever happens first. That is why so many women in India are illiterate.
Gender equality is just a big issue. Women and girls in India face domestic violence, isolation and no bargaining power when it comes to family planning.
They also face a lot of health issues like pregnancy, birthing and menstruation in general.
Women have no right or opportunity to talk about their problems. They are just not taken seriously. Educating people on these topics creates opportunities for change. This is why we want to raise awareness with our program about sex education.
I'm making my way.
We planned a workshop that is going to last half a day. For some part, boys and girls are going to be together. Other topics we're going to discuss with them separately, because you probably can imagine why.
There are a few topics we are going to cover. Puberty with all its changes. Romantic behavior and rights, including comfort zones and courtship. Sexual intercourse. Menstruation, so girls know what to expect. And STDs and contraception. And relating to all these topics, we are going to shed a light on some myths.
We also have some other tools, like this folder with all the information that teachers need, and also some visual aids, like this uterus. The uterus helps make the kids understand where babies come from. They can use the toy themselves. And the baby necklace. It represents the menstrual cycle, and it helps women to pinpoint their fertile days. Using the baby necklace, you start when you get your period, and pull the ring over one bead every day. So you will always know if you are in your fertile phase and if you have to use protection or abstain from sex to prevent pregnancy. The red beads represent menstrual blood. Yellow represents drought. Those are your infertile days. Blue represents water. If you have unprotected sex during the blue days, you are likely to become pregnant.
Our book, The Amazing Story of Growing Up, is a summary of all the topics we mentioned. We try to make it appropriate for kids because our target groups are kids from the age of 9 onwards. You can see some cute little drawings of children and also some rather detailed pictures of the human anatomy. In this book, we try to put together all the necessary information that the children in Bihar might need. We also made a Hindi version. Here you can see some of those pages.
There has already been done a lot of research on what tremendous effect education has, It has the power to enforce health behaviors,
to fight poverty,
lower birth rates,
enable women to earn their own money and care for their kids,
and to empower girls and women to take over their own lives.
Biha Vikili Shiksha, Bildung für Biha.
Stupid to buy you, 'cause that's what you deserve. You sacrifice so much of